Welcome back to Wicked F150. Today we're actually going to change out the fog lights. Now, I didn't do a video on this before I started doing the videos, but if you already have a brand new F150, I don't know if it's in past years or not, but the stock halogens are horribly dull. The output is absolutely awful. I took a road trip back to Pennsylvania and I had to change the headlights before we left. There's no way I was driving that far in the dark, all highway with horrible headlights. So I already changed those. Now we're going to change the fog lights to match. So that's why it's so dark in here at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck on so you can see how horrible the difference is between the headlights and the fog lights. Okay, so now the lights are on. Now you can see the difference in the lights. Now the bottom line there, right there, is the stock fog lights. The headlights were the exact same shade, of course stock. I changed the headlights, now the fog lights, to match to these. The Phillips Crystal Vision Ultra. That's what I put it for the headlights, and now I'm going to put for the fog lights so they match. As you can see, it is a nice white light. The output is so much better. Can't really tell here in the picture, they both kind of look yellow, but the headlights are white, as you saw on the wall. Now for the change. Now there are plenty of videos on YouTube trying to change out your fog lights, your headlights, and usually most of the time they're just going to LEDs. Now I had watched one a while back, before I even got this truck actually, that they went through the fender, the inside, the wheel well, and when I went to change the headlights, the bulb, it just wasn't working for me. Couldn't figure it out. I don't know what I was doing wrong. So I ended up, it was at the time I already had the grill off to plastic dip the front, so I just went ahead and took the headlights out the front. So much easier. So I didn't want to do the wheel well again for the fog lights, and easy enough, they're right here. Now, I don't have tiny little girly hands by any means, and I can still get my hand in there. I already made sure I can twist it out, pull it out, and change the bulb. So it's that simple to change out your fog lights. Let's do it. So both fog lights are changed, and look at the color. As you can tell, the fog lights are still definitely a lot more yellow than the headlights, and yet it's the exact same brand bulb, the Ultra Crystal Vision, and yet they're two different colors. So instead of, oh, this is so awesome, great way to make your halogens better, this is turned into don't do what I did. The headlights, obviously they're great. The output is amazing. They are definitely whiter appearing, but the fog lights, I don't know what the deal is, but yeah, it don't work. It is definitely yellow. And again, Phillips Crystal Vision Ultra. Now, the only thing I did get out of this basically is a higher output, because I changed it from the 9140 to 9145. I read a light change on F150 forum, and it was actually a lot of good information. You can go on there and search 9145, and you'll be able to find it on there. The guy on there talks about changing out the headlights, the low beams, high beams, and the fog lights. Changing your low beams from H11s to H9s. Throwing in your high beam 9005 to your fog lights, which I believe the last update that I read, it was 6 months later, and it still had not melted the fog light glass on the front there. So I guess it's not glass, obviously, but it still has yet to melt it, because a lot of people on there were worried about it since it's such a higher output and different wattage. But that's one thing you could do. I chose to just try to stick with the same bulb. Bad idea. good for the low beam on the headlights, bad for the fog lights. Hope you guys still enjoyed the video. I mean, it's a little insight for you. Don't make the same mistake. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Have a great weekend. So, back inside, just finished with the fog lights, and before I was about to upload the video, I got to thinking I'm just going to return the fog lights themselves. Not happy with it, not what I wanted. They're just going to get returned, and I'm going to try to find ones that will match, and then give an update video.